everyone, I am so excited. This is the final renovation vlog. We literally moved in last night, so it's feeling so fresh, and I really want to show you the finished results of each area before we start moving all our stuff back in. So I'm also gonna slot in the before shot so you remember what we started with, okay? It's been a journey. Our builder literally finished a few weeks early, which I feel like is so unheard of. And I'm just so grateful to be back at home, and I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. So let's start with the kitchen, and I'm gonna pop in the before clips. Okay, now for the grand reveal of the kitchen. So if you've been following along the journey, this is not a surprise for you, but we've got the greens, we've got the golds, we got a new oven, this is our old fridge, and we just need to pop our microwave back in. This is our new pantry. It's definitely so different to the setup that we had in the corner, but now we have so much more space, and I feel like it's definitely more functional. We also have a couple drawers underneath. Look at all of that storage space, and we've got a couple drawers here. For all the drawers in the kitchen, we have the soft close, which is perfect. So we mixed up the handles. So with the pantry, we went with the large handles because it's such a large door. And for all the drawers, we just got the pull-out ones, and we used the smaller circle knobs for more of the cupboards. On this side, we've got the oak cabinets, we've got the new stove top, and we've got a mixture of cabinets and drawers. And I'm particularly excited about this little drawer. It's got two drawers. I'm probably gonna put my sauces, maybe cooking spices. I really love this corner of the kitchen because we got a little light running under the cabinet. So I'll just show you what it looks like. Ta-da! I feel like it's gonna look nicer at nighttime, obviously. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm really happy because we got additional power points in this corner, which will be so practical for appliances and all of that. And on this side, I've got my dream sink. This was my absolute non-negotiable for the kitchen. I've always wanted a farmhouse sink like this. There's two functions with this sink. So you can have it like this, where it's a little bit more dispersed, or like that. You can also pull it out, which makes it really convenient when you're washing your dishes. I have never been more excited to wash dishes, like seriously. I might take over the dishwashing. Key usually does that chore, but honestly, I'm inspired. I'm inspired by this beautiful sink. We went with vertical tiles, which I know is a little bit different, and we got the faux marble countertops, and the actual material that we went with is porcelain. I'm just so happy with how the countertops turned out. We went through so many faux marble slabs, and I'm so grateful that we found this one because I feel like it was exactly what we were looking for. We really didn't want it to look too busy. I'm so happy with the counters, and I love how they went all the way to the window because it feels so massive, and now we have so much counter space. Now next to the sink, we've obviously got the dishwasher, and on this side we've got the bins that just pull out like that. We have a few more drawers here. Again, all the soft close, so we don't have to worry about the noise. And here we have a couple of floating shelves, and I'm so excited to decorate these shelves. And these were just our old PowerPoints. We didn't add any over here. That's pretty much it for the kitchen. We also got an additional downlight in the corner, so the lighting just feels so bright in here. I nearly forgot to show you the Lazy Susan situation that we've got in the corner. Opens out like that, And we've got the lazy Susan. So you might have already noticed, but we also got rid of all the tiles. So we have hybrid floors now throughout the house. We didn't touch the carpet in the bedrooms because we really like having the carpet in the bedrooms and really don't mind the color, which is like pretty neutral beigey brown. But yeah, you probably noticed that the floor is very different. Let me show you the main bathroom now. I'll pop in the clips of what it was looking like. And now for the grand reveal. We've got the porcelain again, matching the kitchen. We've got this green sea glass mint color for the tiles. We've got some feature lights with the arch mirror, which I'm just obsessed with. That is what it looks like with the lights on. We've got a bigger basin in this bathroom just because it's the main bathroom. And we obviously have a lot of the counter space. And I'm so obsessed with these drawers. We got it custom fit to the size of our bathroom. Lots of storage, which I definitely need. We just did a half tile situation. And I've already got the Christmas hand towel going. Now this is what the toilet is looking like. Nothing too exciting here. We did the half tile situation and we went with the gold toilet roll holder, which matches the toilet gold buttons. And my favorite part, this is the bathtub. Oh my gosh. I just think it looks so gorgeous, especially underneath that window. You best believe I'm going to be having a bath tonight. We've got a towel rail over here, which is just over the bath. And then on the other side, next to the bathtub, we also have two towel hooks because we have a shower on the other side. So again, going with the gold accents. In the corner, we've got the little shower rail. And for this room, we obviously went up to the ceiling. We didn't do the half tile here. I feel like you can see it so much better now that the light is on. We got the golden trimming on the corner of the shower, which I feel like just adds a nice little detail. Last but not least, I'll show you the ensuite. So I'll show you the before clips. And now this is what the ensuite looks like. So I've got my dream double sinks. So excited about this. We went, of course, with the gold accents as well. And we've got this mirror cabinet and I'm just so excited with all of the storage. I'm honestly most excited to organize this in the whole house, as well as the drawers underneath, which of course has a lot of storage as well. Just like the other bathroom, we went with grey tiles and also the sea glass mint tiles. Yeah, so that's what the grey tiles are looking like. Nothing too exciting here, it's just the toilet. Again, we went with the half tile for the toilet, but for the rest of the bathroom, we went up to the ceiling. I love our shower space. We've always had frosted glass over the windows, and previously we had blinds, but they were really old, so we removed them and they were really damaged as well. So we're thinking we might install some blinds, but to be honest, I really like the frosted glass look. We've got the same shower that we have in the main bathroom. The mixer is on that side, and I took a shower here last night and oh my gosh, it just felt so spacious. It was amazing. Oh my god, I'm just so excited to organize my skincare. Oh, and we also replaced the exhaust and fan and light. So this is what it looks like on. Over here you'll see that we've got the exhaust, light, fan, heat 1 and heat 2.
A mãe não te deu colo. Qual foi o trauma de infância? pra explicar essa discrepância.